Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to set different opacity levels for each website using the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. First things first, do you have Turn Off the Lights installed? No? What are you waiting for? Head over to the Chrome Web Store, type Turn Off the Lights, find it, and smash that blue Add to Chrome button like your screen depends on it. Once it's installed, right-click on that little gray lamp icon, hit Options, and boom, the settings page appears. Click the icon with the two black rectangles. That opens a modal where the magic happens. Now flip on the radio button that lets you set different opacity levels per website. Let's say I want google.com to be a little dim. I type it in and set the opacity to 20. Then I add Google News, but I want that one even darker, so I set it to 66. Now here's the cool part. I go back to the Google tab, click the lamp icon, and it dims exactly how I set it. Click the lamp twice and bam! Mini settings panel pops up, showing the opacity is 20. Switch over to Google News, same thing. Double-click, and it shows 66. It just works. So smooth. So clean. Awesome, right? If you learned something new today, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more epic browser tips. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.